Hi guys, welcome back to Andre's Vac Shop, and today I'm going to explain the new J series. So guys, guess what? There's finally an iRobot vacuum, an iRobot Roomba with a front-mounted camera so that it can identify poop and stuff. And the J7 itself will be $650, and the J7 Plus with a new designed clean base will be $850. So it can identify thousands of different items and go around them. And there's bundles. You can get the Roomba J7 Plus with the automatic emptying base and the Brava Jet M6. And of course, it's the same design for $1,215, and the replacement kit is $85. J7 Plus replacement kit is $85. And also, one other thing I want to show you. They've made something called POOP, Pet Owner Official Promise. If you get this Roomba because you have a pet that sometimes poops in your house, well, then you need to get this robot. If you really want a robot that avoids the poop, then this is the one, because the other robots have top-mounted cameras, so they can't see the poop as well. And it also promises that if the Roomba, for any reason, Roomba J7 or J7 Plus, runs over the poop, then they say they'll replace your robot for free. So that's pretty nice. And yeah, everything else is pretty standard. The battery life is about the same, about 1 hour and 45 minutes probably. And I also want to show you the deals, and that'll be it for today, folks. So, some nice deals. You can save $100 on the Brava Jet M6 robot mop. Oh, holy. So, that would still be $400. You can save $100 on it. And then the Roomba S9 Plus with the Brava Jet M6, you can save $300 on that. So it'll now be $1,300. And the Roomba i3 Plus, you can get this whole house cleaning set. The Roomba i3 Plus robot vacuum, Brava Jet M6 robot mop, and iRobot H1 handheld vacuum. So yeah, the design is different here. It doesn't match, but you can save $500 on that. So that's a pretty good offer. It's $800 now. So that's pretty nice. And yeah, guys, that's about it. Yeah, it's a nice robot, and yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, if you really have a pet that does that has some accidents in your house, you'll probably be wanting this Roomba. Except one thing it can't do is if he pees on the floor. That is something that you'd need like a Brava Jet mop for probably. So yeah, but thanks guys, and yeah, this is the J7 Plus. It will be the J7 Plus itself, as I said, will be $650, and the J7 Plus with the automatic empty base is $850. And of course, it has Wi-Fi connectivity with the app. And yeah, that's it, guys. See you later. Thanks for watching Andre's Vac Shop.